will fall.
And you're doing okay up there?
Don't worry! I am still in complete control! Actually, I am not in complete control! You know what? Let's not fly directly into that storm. Horizon Bravo 9er, I'm putting down in the jungle! Touchdown!
Ramiro, are you okay?
Never better! Any landing you walk away from is a good one. I'm down next to some kind of flooded, temple. I'll send up a flare. No one's been here in a while. Look, even the excavations are abandoned. An expedition to a lost city. Rediscovered by you, Ramiro Luis Miron, and the Horizon Festival.
Hey, Rami, I think I'm gonna take a look around. Find somewhere to put the beacon.
Do not let me interrupt your Mesoamerican history lesson, my friend. You can come and get me when you're ready.
I think I could line up for a jump through these arches and over the top of the ruin.
Did I just see a flying car?
Forget flying cars. I think I just saw a barn out there. We'll check it out later. There's the plane and our exit. I think I found just the place for that Horizon Pulse radio beacon. Rami, I think I found one of the statues.
Don't touch it! It's very powerful. Could you take a photo for me?
I think I found the golden statue. Let me take a picture of this.
Una estación de radio oficial del Festival Horizon.
Beacon is up and transmitting. Good work. Now at least someone knows where we are.
There you are. Right. Let's push onto the coast. The storms can be bad, but the ancient peoples of this region knew the value of the rain. Whoa!
Are you all right?
I am fine. I don't plan on being discovered here by the next archaeological expedition. Do you, my friend?
This place is definitely nicer without us in it.
Let's get moving. Some of the roads might be blocked. I'll navigate. It looks like there's one way to the coast. Through the heart of the storm. You can handle this, my friend. I trust you. Do your worst. We are riders on the storm. Riders on the storm. Fear nothing. Roadworks. We'll have to gut through the swamp. Take a right. I hope you like mud, my friend.
Couldn't like it more. Let's do this!
Hold on. Can I see those photos?
What? Now?
Yes, I want to see. I really want to see them. Okay, that one was very close. Go faster, please. The clouds are breaking. Keep pushing. We're through the worst of it now. Tulum is just around the corner. Welcome to beautiful Tulum. We made it! No thanks to the weather.
You're right. But now these beaches look beautiful. You know, I think this will be the perfect spot.
I think you're right, my friend.
You made it! No thanks to Ramiro, no? Welcome to Horizon Apex. Ready for my road racing program? Here are the events I've set up so far. This is what I've been waiting for, my friend. Now I get to see what you can really do.
Hey, Ace. That is a Horizon Mexico Festival outpost. Shall we build some more? Hey, Ace. That's it. It's time for an adventure. Here's the thing. It's not all about expansion. We also want to build our existing outposts with bigger race programs and more events. Expeditions into the unknown, or new adventures in our own backyard. I'll tell her you're available. Honestly, she won't say it, but I know this is important to her. In 100 yards, turn right. In 100 yards, turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
Órale! It's an F40. I can't believe it. Help me get it out of here. I'll call the paint shop, tell them to get out the Rosa Corsa. Forza. See you soon.
In 400 yards, turn right. Hey Ace, I know you're busy, but I have festival facilities way over capacity. So if you wanted to push for that next big expansion, that would be very helpful. In 400 yards, turn left. In 200 yards, turn left.
Whoa! No wonder those American collectors wanted this. It's a Viper. The ACR, I think. Aye, 8-litre V10. And almost impossible to keep the power on the road. But if you can... Here, give me a hand.
Hey, cut it out! You're gonna break the... skill computer. Wait, come on. Break the skill computer, I dare you.
I'll give you a call when it's done. Speak soon.
In 400 yards, turn right. In 400 yards, turn right. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Brutal! 12 down! Remind me to never get in a big purple force field with you.
Turn around when it is safe to do so. Recalculating route. In 200 yards, turn left. Turn left. In 100 yards, turn right. In 200 yards, turn left. You have arrived at your destination.
That is a 7-liter, 425 brake horsepower Hemi engine, and the scraps of a Dodge Dart. Let's get it back to the garage. I do, Lemmy. I'll get it running again. Wait until you see this.